Hello, my beautiful nail divas. It's me, Princess D, and we are here with nail mail. So this is from the Nail Junky, you guys. I placed an order with her. I don't remember what I got, but I remember she said she sent me extra. So I'm guessing that I got like 4 of these, because I know at least one of them was a freebie. I don't remember which one it was. So let's just take a look at them right quick. Let's move this one out the way. Don't mind my piece of tape. I'm at my mama's house, and this was the best way I could figure out where my mark was going to be, y'all. Look, let's take a minute to appreciate how she packaged these, you guys. So I was a beach and opened this package because I was too excited to wait to set up. So these were inside of these, and then she also had them inside of another bag inside of my package. So if they spilled, broke, or whatever, I wouldn't have a big mess, which was awesome. Thank you, Diva. Look how cute she is, you guys, right? Okay, so this one is called Northern Lights. Oh, that's pretty. You hear my mama, y'all. It is very beautiful. It's like a pink with almost like a bluish purple, like shimmer, right? It's stunning. This is Miss Petty. Now, I think I ordered this one just because of the name. Thought it was Sucker Fetty. Ooh. Maybe I didn't. Maybe I saw that beautiful Divaliciousness.
I am so proud of Uncle.
This is gorgeous, you guys. We definitely have to swatch this. And I know y'all checking out these nails. Stop judging me. I hear you through the freaking phone. So this one is coconut milk. And I believe it's like a transparent-ish white for like milk bath nails, you guys. But we will check that out when I do the swatch. So this one is called Ohana, which reminds me of Lilo and Stitch. As you can see, she's got the little thing on there, little picture. And this is a light blue with a silver. It looks like a silver. I have to swatch these. This one is called Snow Day. Ooh, Elena gonna love this. That's her favorite color. Oh my God, that is loaded with Divalicious, baby. And then last but not least is Starlight, which looks absolutely amazing. Forget about it. That looks like a bunch of fine crushed shell. Look, I'm not even in frame, y'all. It's hard to see with the light.
There you are.
Damn, that looks so stunning. I want to wear this one. Oh my queenness. This is it. Okay, you guys, so here is my order from the Nail Junky. Stay tuned for the end of the video, and I will swatch them for you. Okay, divas, forgive me. I am in the gym working out while I do this voiceover. It's the only time I have to do it, so I apologize if you have to listen to my weird, creepy breathing. But this cup I got from my mom. It's from Starbucks. It's a mini coffee cup, and I'm going to use it while I'm here as my dapping dish. And the saucer comes in handy as a palette as well. So I think I'll just keep it with my nail stuff. But thank you, Mama. I said thanks you. Sorry. But I'm using Nail Couture Monomer because it has a little lower odor than the rest. It's a little more sweet than anything, but it does still have that monomer smell. You don't really smell the sweet until you go to file off the product. That's when you smell it. Okay, so I'm using this acrylic brush. I got it from AliExpress. It's a size 14. The bristles are a little bit messed up because I be rushing, trying to toss it in that cap, but it works for what I need it to do. I'm actually going to prep the press-on nails that I'm going to put on my left hand with 3 of these colors, and I will add the photos to those colors in the end. This is that baby blue with silver glitter.
Wow.
Oh my God, you guys. This acrylic is so easy to work with, okay? Very, very, very beginner friendly. One of the beads that I pick up on another color, I didn't have enough monomer, so it may look as if it was a little hard to work with, but it wasn't. It's just that I didn't put enough monomer into the brush, and you'll see that in the second, because I picked up another bead on purpose so you guys could see that that was the mistake. So I hope you guys catch that in the part, I think it's this color right here. So let's see. See, it looks a little bit chunky, and it didn't want to come off my brush, but only because I didn't have enough monomer. Now I'm going to grab another bead right about here, and then you will see how it releases so easily. See, bada boom, bada boom. Listen to it go boom boom.
One, two. Looks like there's blue in there.
Right. Damn, is that gorgeous?
That video.
Okay, Diva Squad, as you know, I am busy doing something. Actually, I'm doing a little something for myself. I'm getting a pedicure while I finish this edit. But did you see that bling, bloom, bloom to the glitter in this acrylic, girls and boys? I absolutely love this color. It's one of my favorites, and that is why I'm using it in this set. I know I didn't have enough video to finish this recording, but when it stops, I'm gonna leave the video or the pictures of this set at the end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned for that part. When you go in with your base coat to dip into the polymer, you want to wipe that off like I did on my thumb. And make sure you don't contaminate your bottle. Are y'all feeling this sparkle the way I'm feeling it? My God, I absolutely love it. So y'all might notice that I put the product under the nail because I did these as a gel press on. So in my opinion, all the strength is underneath the nail at that point because you've got that space between the natural nail and the press on nail. So you have to feel that product not just to the tip of the nail because that's your breaking point. So if the product stops there, then that's where you're going to break the nails all the time. So if you're having an issue with them, your press-ons breaking at the free edge, that's why you have to continue the product all the way to the tip of the nail. Okay, Diva, so real quick, if y'all didn't catch that, I'm going to explain to you my process with these dip press-ons. So I'm using the Diva in a Bottle base coat, which is my base coat. You can find that on my website at divainabottle.com. And I am applying a medium, you know, layer of the base coat, and then I'm dipping it into the polymer. I'm curing it for 60 seconds, dusting it out once it's cured, and then I apply a second coat. This color that I use now with the crush, it seems to have crushed shell. That's what it seems like, you guys. I don't know what is in there, but I know that it's absolutely Divalicious and it looks amazing on. Wait till you see these pictures. I want to know if y'all Diva smash or Diva trash. But it is so freaking stunning. I love it. This is my Valentine's Day set, and I know I'm getting this video up late, you guys, but I'm so sorry. I've just been so busy. But I absolutely love this color. This is my absolute favorite of all 6 of these colors, you guys. But it does have thick pieces of this shell. So when you lay it down, if you're gonna do it like a dip method, you're gonna want to make sure that you take a tool or something to flatten out those pieces of shell. I'll show you that in a second. But if you're using monomer, just use your brush, and I'm sure that using monomer, it's a lot easier, because when I did the swatches, it was easier and they kind of laid down themselves. So you'll figure it out when you do it, but I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. Oh my God, is that freaking Divalicious thing? If you're still here, you know you're my favorite rockin' diva, baby. I'd like to know if you think this is diva trash or definitely a diva smash, because honey, I've been wearing these now for about 3 or 4 days and I am loving them. I cannot go nowhere without getting a million compliments, and literally I went to the salon to get a pedicure, as you saw or heard in one of the clips, but they all gathered around me and offered me a job, period. Stay Divalicious, and I'll see you when I see ya. Mwah!